Well, I wasn't as fast as I thought I would be. Sorry about that. So you understand how to upload an assignment. If you don't, go back to announcements, which you should be checking daily anyway. Click on announcements, and you may have to scroll through until you see the how to upload an assignment. Finding feedback on assignments will also show you how to upload an assignment. So I'll make sure that's posted there for you so that you can see how to upload an assignment correctly if you ever get stuck. So back to what's due Thursday. So in addition to the works cited with the outline, don't leave the works cited off the outline. Sometimes students do because they've already done the preliminary works cited with the working thesis. But every time you use a source in an assignment, you should have a works cited at the end of that assignment. Take the punctuation practice test for up to 5 bonus points. The punctuation test may be more challenging than the grammar test even. So do look at the feedback after you take the practice tests. Don't just look at the answers, but look at why the answers are what they are. Feel free to make an appointment to meet virtually with a tutor at the Wallace State campus or in person and go over some of the punctuation answers with them individually with whatever you require some extra attention on. Then you have a video that shows you how to take the outline you just did and turn it into a draft. Watch that video and start working on your draft of your career comparison essay. And then you will upload that draft to upswing.io. Here is the link to Upswing. Here's a video that demonstrates how to save the draft as a .docs and upload it to Upswing. Remember, you're not uploading an outline, you're uploading something that looks like the finished essay. You can upload this PDF of the career comparison mode sheet or the rubric for the career comparison essay, or both. And make sure the Upswing tutors then know what you will be counted off for if you don't have those details. All right, so this upload to Upswing will later be uploaded with the Upswing feedback to Blackboard for an easy 20 points. It's the easiest 20 points you'll get, but that comes later. So it'll be sometime the next week, maybe September 14th. So you can continue to look ahead and see what is due as you look at the dates here. I am no longer in student mode, so I see a lot more than you see. I see the whole semester. So I'll continue to open those. I try to stay about a week ahead of you so that if you need to work ahead, you may. I just don't want you to get so far ahead that you're missing important answers to questions that I may post in announcements as students are working on assignments and need some more detail or some clarification on things. So do check announcements daily, and scroll through announcements when you check them to make sure you haven't missed anything. Because oftentimes those are answers to your classmates' questions, and you may need those answers as well. And it may save you from emailing me to have to answer the same question that was already answered in announcements, which you can find under Let's Talk, which is way down for me. Announcements. Just click there. You'll find it. All right. Have a good week. Let me know if you have questions.